Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury vans of 2026, the all-new Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. This isn't just your typical cargo van. It's been transformed into a high-end, tech-packed mobile lounge designed to redefine luxury travel. At first glance, the front of the 2026 Sprinter is a bold statement. Sleek, futuristic, and unmistakably Mercedes, the front fascia features a digital grille illuminated by seamless LED light bars stretching across the width. The signature three-pointed star sits boldly at the center, flanked by dynamic lighting elements that double as daytime running lights. The hood is sculpted yet minimal, blending with aerodynamically designed side panels. Around the back, Mercedes keeps things clean and modern. The vertical tail lights are now slimmer and sleeker, integrating neatly into the tinted rear glass. The rear spoiler subtly improves airflow, while chrome accents and clean lines give off that executive shuttle vibe. A large power liftgate offers effortless access to storage, and for conversion or luxury camper setups, this platform is ideal. Whether for private transport, VIP travel, or high-end family adventures, it's all class, all the way. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that screams high luxury. The 2026 Sprinter interior has been overhauled with diamond-stitched leather seats, ambient lighting in customizable colors, and a massive curved digital display that stretches from the driver's gauge cluster to the center infotainment. The cockpit is tech-forward, featuring a redesigned MBUX system, voice controls, and AI-assisted route planning. The captain's chairs are ventilated, heated, and offer massage functions, perfect for long hauls or executive transport. Under the hood, the 2026 Sprinter will likely come with multiple powertrains. Mercedes is expected to offer a twin-turbo diesel V6, a plug-in hybrid option, and a fully electric EQV variant for eco-conscious buyers. Expect around 250 to 300 horsepower, with instant torque in the electric version for smooth acceleration. Enhanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive ensures confident handling in any weather, and adaptive air suspension delivers a limousine-like ride. With all this tech and luxury, what will the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter cost? While official pricing hasn't been released yet, we estimate the starting price to be around $62,000 for the base model, with luxury trimmed or executive configurations easily pushing $90,000 to $120,000. The fully electric variant could top out around $130,000, especially with VIP interior conversions. Mercedes is expected to unveil the production version of the 2026 Sprinter in late Q4 of 2025, with deliveries beginning in early to mid-2026 in major global markets including North America, Europe, and parts of Asia.